it's recording. And hey there, we're buying
How long
stuff.
has that been recording?
I don't know, I just started recording.
Oh, okay.
So we're at the
Cheese
store.
balls.
And we're getting food.
They're really good.
Yeah. You know what happened last time I was in the, I shouldn't shake this, whatever, I'll tell you later.
Would you want to get that? Rockstar or what looks to be a 8-pack of Mountain Dew.
8-pack.
Well, they're mini Mountain Dew.
Well, how much? I know these are two for
$3, as you can see. The amazing deal.
So I feel like that's what we should probably go for. Then you know what, we got challenged on YouTube. Someone commented and challenged us to do the burping challenge, so we could do that with.
Alright.
So we could
From
both.
my experience,
I feel like.
Mountain Dew does not make me burp at all.
I think A and W. Just looking at the foam there. Looks pretty.
Alright, we'll get this and we'll
And
get.
then, do you want to just get two of those or what? I mean, this Dr. Pepper. How much
to make
is
it
that?
even, we should get two of these.
Yeah. Okay. I'll. And then should I put back the Rockstar? Cause.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can you hold the camera?
Cheese
This
balls.
is heavy. Okay.
Hello, world.
To change the. Yeah, we're
You know what videos I kind of like?
What?
The ones that are like guys getting kicked out of Walmart because they do funny stuff.
Well, or, you know, I've never tried Red Bull before. Is it only?
Red Bull, I would not recommend you get.
Why?
I've had it before.
Well, you know, it's $4 or it's $3 for a freaking small can.
Well,
$4.
another day. Probably when you get your money, you can pay for that.
When I get money in general.
All right, if this is over $7, you just pay like the $7.
I'll pay $1.50.
Her money is in coins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In like pennies. if I'll pay $1.50 for this later too.
Okay.
Cause technically. Hi.
I have to put it at my eye level.
Yeah.
or
Go
else it
ahead.
just
Like.
looks weird. Just. We're at a Rite Aid. They're fun.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna. Here, we'll be back too after we check out.
We got cheese balls.
Yeah, cheese balls. Okay, so we are back and we have cheese balls that apparently were really cheap. And for the record, we were challenged to do the burping challenge, which from what I remember is
The
you have
lighting's
to
really weird for the camera.
did a
Yeah, it looks good and weird at the same time.
yeah. Well, you know what?
Alright, so we each got an A&W.
Yeah, and from what I remember, the burping challenge is you have to burp the ABCs, and then you have to burp some lyrics to a song, and then you just have to do your most impressive burp, and then the people in the comments judge. So, I haven't opened.
Are you able to burp on command?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so
Wait, what? No, that wasn't mine. That was mine, right?
Yeah, I know, we're opening it for you.
I know. I want to open it.
All right.
Take the camera.
Take the camera.
So that's
All right.
what happened last time. The other one.
Yeah, mine, it was like a fountain. Try to take it off. No, you gotta do more. Oh,
Okay, so mine was weak. Come on, James.
just for record, I'm not good at jugging. Also, we're gonna try not burp on command.
Okay, James, here's a try. Just spit into this or something.
Oh, C. Oh God. This is
I still feel sick,
D.
sick every time I drink A&W. See? I'm still on E. How do you do that? Like, what are you doing?
I'm drinking and burping.
Shake it up. Oh, that was a good one.
A B C D E F G H I J Q R S T.
I think I skipped something. F G H F G H H. Okay.
Oh, lost it.
about to do this at the park, but there was a lot of people there.
What? The...
By that I mean little kids who don't influence wrong. That went out my nose.
What's wrong? Huh? You can't handle your burps?
No. Oh, screw you.
I just finished the alphabet, and I feel sick. Hey, where's your sink? Oh, I know where your sink is. Is your door open?
Yeah, just walk in and it's right there. So I'm gonna try and finish this while he does that. If my...
Alright, people. I'm back. And so we're... Oh, you're at H.
I don't know what I'm at. I just said H because that was the first letter that came to my mind. Wait, I got J, K, I'm on K.
People, comment down below if she's lying.
Oh, you can rewatch the video.
I want them to comment. I want to feel special.
Okay.
Oh. You do that, I'm gonna eat some cheese balls. Also, I saw this in the video, I kinda wanted to do it.
Oh.
I have a Nerf rival gun.
He killed us all. He killed us all.
Charge it up with the lower button, and just, when it's charged up, you just
I can't do
that.
it. Come on.
And
J.
There you go.
J. J.
J. So, I saw this in a video. Some guy put cheese balls in a Nerf gun. Well, this specific Nerf gun in shot.
J.
So while she does that, I'm reloading this with cheese balls. There we go. Cheese balls central. Balls are balls life.
I still feel sick from that last time.
Balls life. So if
I love these.
so to do it, you just pull out these two clips. They're on both sides.
Oh.
Push it out.
Wow.
Take it out.
They don't care.
You know, I wouldn't care either, but the guy.
Oh, I almost just threw up. That was a bad
This is
idea.
a fat one. Here you go. It's a big old fat one. Big old sausage.
Okay. Let's see if I can do J now. You know, I'm just gonna skip J. J, K. I was on K already. I already did J. Frick.
Do I have a cheese ball loaded? I do.
Okay.
But with the
Okay.
cheese balls, actually no, some guy didn't do this one. He did the one where you pull back the thing on the top and then you shoot it.
You mean like your crossbow?
Yeah, kind of like that. Kind of like my crossbow.
Oh, I just burped. Okay.
And his didn't have the little revving thing. So when I shoot the cheese balls, it grinds them down. So they don't really come out much, but gonna try it.
Okay. How do you, like, I can do it. I can do K. Like, cause it's like.
A&W. Not very good for your teeth though.
There's caffeine in this. There's no caffeine in this. See, it's hard. L.
If you guys, I might have skipped M. M as in mule. So
There.
I'm gonna do it again. There you go.
My sad attempts on M.
What happened?
You know, a good idea.
You're like covered in A&W.
I'm covered in root beer.
Got a root for beer.
M. A good idea. What
She can't do it. I can.
Shut up. We still haven't got. Yeah.
Did I try to shoot the camera?
I'll no. I'll just. Yo. No.
That one hit. That one just. Oh. That one hit your garage door. I'll go get one of the things to show you what I mean.
Hey.
Here, Here's a normal cheese ball. It's round. Here's what the Nerf rival gun did. Just sands it down. It almost looks perfect, but I wouldn't eat that.
I wouldn't either.
Probably because it was on the ground.
I'm starting to loathe this stuff. Just remember how I had to chug it, and then now I have to do this.
Just swallow a little and you can burp. Yes! You looked constipated.
I'm trying to remember what letter I'm on.
You guys don't need to see me. I'm a ghost now.
Yep.
Focus. Focus. There we go. Camera focused.
Do you guys remember when I did that challenge where I had to chug?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I feel not good. I
I think you should stop with the A&W for now. Ooh. So this is our tripod. Yeah, I know it's not a real tripod. Still.
That was a bad idea. Whoever challenged me this,
I love that person.
oh my god. I can tell my viewers like to watch me suffer, so.
I haven't suffered. Give us a harder challenge, like the ALS ice bucking challenge.
Nominate us, please.
I hate cold water. I hate it. I cannot
You
stand
also
it.
hate spiders. There's a spider in here.
Arachnophobia is a very dangerous thing. Unfortunately, that is something I have.
You know.
And if you say I have to do something with a spider,
Yeah, don't.
no. Just
Well,
no.
why don't we do that then? Because I have to do stuff with A&W a lot.
You agreed to this.
True. I thought it was a good idea.
It's not. For her, anyway.
Yeah.
You guys got a jerry can? I love fire. Never mind.
You're not going in my garage again. Get out.
I'm kidding.
I'm kidding. Alright, you're kidding. Let's take this as a lesson learned. Don't do the burping challenge. Do you think that's right? If you're me.
If you have a weak stomach, I'd highly recommend you do not do
I
it.
have a really strong stomach.
I can digest a lot of stuff.
I just can't do this.
Should we end the video? What do you think?
I think we should end the video right here.
So,
Don't be a hater. Be a tater. That's right. I said it. Tater tot.
we're ending
Bye.
it. Okay, we're ending it. That was horrible.
Cheese ball!